Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. And so here I am recording this on Monday morning, August 26th, before the market opens. And SoFi closed last week on August 23rd at a price of $7.52, being up about 4.5% on Friday and going up about 1% or so in the pre-market. And so, yeah, I just wanted to go over the chart because I think there are a number of bullish patterns going on with it. And I do think that we could be seeing some price action to the upside, maybe getting up to $8 and beyond. So, yeah, the chart's looking really, really cool. This was brought up in last night's stream, and I just had to do a video on it. And so looking at the chart here, we can see this low that was hit on August 5th when the market gapped down over the weekend, got lots of rebounds, and we definitely saw that with SoFi. And so coming from that low at 601, coming up to the current price, it's up about 25%. So looking really good there. And like I said, I do think that there is more upside to come. And so there are a couple reasons for that. One is that we have seen these up moves over here, and then we have seen some consolidation. So that is a bull flag. Another reason is because it does look like we have formed a rising three methods here with this big green candle, these three red ones, and then this following big green candle. And so if I flip over to Investopedia, got this little graphic here that shows what the rising three methods is. And so with that, we've got this big green candle here. Within the trading of that day, we have these three smaller red candles stepping down. And then finally, we have this massive green candle that not only engulfs these three red trading candles, we also have the engulfing of this prior green candle, of course, here getting above the high here, closing above that. So, I do think this is, a nice example of what we're looking at here in the chart. I just think this is a beautiful, like textbook example of the rising three methods. So here, we didn't get any trading below the open from the 19th. Here, looking at the opening price of $7.11. We did get a wick above that high over here, but then other than that, no trading below or above that green candle. And then we did get the bottom here with the open on the 23rd on Friday being at 721, and then closing after hitting a high of 756. Closing at a price of $7.52, higher than the high hit on Monday, which was $7.50, so closing 2 cents above that. There is one thing that is a little bit concerning about this, that it is not a perfect rising three methods, and that is that the high on Tuesday, the 20th, was $7.52, and that was the close that we got on Friday. So it would have been nice if we did close above that wick, but other than that, looking really nice here. And just going over some of the levels that I do have on the chart, we did have a gap to the downside here that was at 716. That has since been filled. Looks like it's now acting as support. So, looking pretty good there. Then I also do have this downtrend in gray. You might not be able to see it that well, but that actually corresponds with this parallel channel that we had been trading in for some time. And then, looking at these levels to the upside from this retracement, going from the high hit on July 18th at 806, coming down to that low of 601. The 786 is just above current price action at 762. But like I said, I think that this could be going back to $8 a share, possibly getting back to 806 and eclipsing that prior high from July 18th. And I could actually see this going higher. I've talked about filling gaps to the downside. We've got this gap to the upside at 858. That was the close hit on March 4th. And so, I think that price is more than likely getting up to that level, might surpass it, as I do have the 1618 marked here at $9.33. Maybe we don't get all the way up there. Maybe we stop right around $9 a share. But I definitely think that we are going to be retesting 806 and, in my view, likely going higher than it, perhaps filling this gap here at 858. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, you guys.